Okay, hello everyone. Vegan Mama Me here. How is everyone today? Just want to fix this a little bit. All right, well, today, I gotta go down a little. Sorry, guys. But I want you to see my food, what we're having. All right, there we go. So anyway, what I have here today is I was making a big dinner, and this morning I was going to do potato salad and my chicken and vegetables and all that. And guess what? By the time I took baby Veganino home and I had to go to the store and just a bunch of things, I said, oh, by the time I got home, it was near 5. I said, no. No. Tomorrow's another day. So today I'm drinking Zevia Coke. Okay. So this has turned out to be my favorite, the Coke. I think the Coke and the ginger ale, very, very good. And look what I have down here. Garlic bread. It's wheat. But it's still garlic bread. And you know what I got there? Valentina. Hey. So, let's see what I have. These are the cauliflower fries. I got a few different things here. They are so good. This is carrot. It's a carrot puff. And this is all natural. No GMOs. Comes in frozen. Just like my sticks. I don't remember the name of it right now. I told you guys before. If you need me to tell you again, I certainly can. Veggies of Eden or something. All natural. This is my glazed chicken. Orange glazed. Really good. This is hummus. I usually make it myself, but when I see it on sale at a decent price, I just grab it. It's non-GMO, it's all natural. I haven't had this one before. This is a Eat Well, Enhance Life. And this is extra spicy. Oh my word. This has cayenne, chipotle, habanero, made with white beans. I'm a little afraid. So let's try it, huh? Spicy. You know I get extra spicy. It's like, what is wrong with me? Being not spicy, that might be tough. And I'm not even eating with a fork tonight. I don't know why. It's not very nice, is it? So what have you guys been up to? Let's see. For me, last night I had baby vegan Nino. We had a blast. It was a lot of fun. It was just me and him playing and enjoying each other, you know, which is really nice. Bella usually comes when he does, but she had a sleepover. So that was fun for her. She got to enjoy herself too. Everything's really good, guys. What have you been up to? Anything exciting? How about Halloween, guys? 2 weeks away. My kids here in my area, because I told you I have one in Arizona, but the kids here, for Halloween, they're all going to be Pokemon. Pokemon family. Different characters. I think I told you. Baby's going to be Pikachu. Should be really cute. Last year they were all superheroes. Different superheroes. And they all go together. Even the big ones. Everybody joins in. Kind of a family thing. My daughter puts it together for everyone. So it's really nice. They get to enjoy Halloween together. Mmm. Really tasty. As you know, eating spice, my nose is running. I don't know how I ever got it that spicy. But I surely did. I didn't share. Oh my God, how dare me. Okay, you know, I'm gonna give you one of these. How was that? That was the carrot. They're pretty tasty, right? I think I have cauliflower too. I'm getting all, oh yeah, cauliflower. Good? Absolutely. You like garlic bread? So, taste these by themselves and explain to you what it tastes like. So this is the carrot. Rinse out my palate. All right. Definitely tastes carrot. Tastes like carrot. I don't think there's any breading or anything. I'm opening them all. Okay. There's the cauliflower. Much stronger taste with the cauliflower. Delicious. Cauliflower fry. All natural ingredients. Delicious. Can't go wrong. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a sweet eater. I love sweets. We have no bakery. Nothing around at all. to get something vegan in you know, the way of a dessert. I wish we did. How about you guys? Okay, guys. Sorry about that. My battery was going dead. I am full already. Definitely really tasty. Sometimes I talk too much and don't eat. Mm. Any of you guys can. Garden of Eden, Veggie of Eden. I'll check to make sure what the name of these veggies are. And you really want to give them a try. Even if you're not vegan, you don't have to be vegan in order to try. I mean, the veggies. And they're definitely good. Very nice taste. The only one that I didn't get that they had, that I will get it, is the broccoli. But I like broccoli a lot. How about you guys? You like it? Me too. And have any of you guys tried these at all? The chicken with the orange sauce? They really are so, so good. I have no reason to lie to you. Telling you the complete truth. This tastes like chicken, but better. I don't think I could ever bring myself to eat meat again. Like I said, all my kids do. And I mean, come on, let's be real. I have to cook it. I have to buy it. There's nothing they can do about that. Some of my family choose not to be vegans, and I have to feed them. My responsibility. But I'm a firm believer, to each their own. I'm not one of those people that tell you all these bad things about yourself because you eat meat. Because let's face it, each and every one of us was raised eating meat. That is what we know. That is all we knew. For me, I was never a meat eater. My mother used to fight me to eat meat. I just didn't prefer it. But you see, families, mothers and fathers raise you that way. That's what you're supposed to do. And I'll tell you the truth. I mean, we can sit here and lie and say that my children, my older children, all started out eating meat. I wasn't vegan then. Baby vegan Nino, not so much. When he is here, he eats vegan because he doesn't have a say. Or if he will eat the food that I prepare, I mean, that's really all he knew because, you know, he ate it from the time he could start eating, so he was quite used to eating vegan food. Even almond milk and cashew milk and, you know, any of the plant-based milks. He loves it. He thinks it's the best. He really enjoys it. And if I make any desserts or foods like this, he likes it. He likes it a lot. So that's good for him, you know. Will he stay vegan? Probably not. Because his family that he goes home to is not vegan. So, but I had him for I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 months in the beginning of his life, because his mommy was very, very sick. So I took care of him the whole time. So he grew very accustomed to what I was feeding him. And when it was time for mommy to be able to take the baby back, the baby was very attached to me. So I make sure that I get him every other day. And the mommy was good enough to allow that. And, you know, he spends the night with me every other day. And he loves me with all his heart. I know he does. I see him when I go get him. He runs up and, and I usually see him even on days I don't have him. So as long as he chooses to come, I will be there for him. There probably will be a time where he wants to stay totally with his family, which is all good. I mean, they're still my family, so, it's a good thing. So, but if the baby chooses that I don't want to come, and spend the night, it's all good, believe me. But why I can, I certainly enjoy it. So however it goes, life goes on, guys, and we do what we gotta do, and, But anyway, as long as he's here, he's going to eat vegan. Like I said, my other kids come here, Bella, and I have another one who's my daughter's child, Mia. They come. Sometimes I can get them to eat vegan if I trick them. I cook them this kind of meat and stuff, and they don't know the difference. But if they really know, they're like, oh my God, that's vegan. Yeah, but you can't even tell the difference. So, to each his own. It's like I tell them, you do you, I'll do me. That's the way life is, right? So now that I bored you with this long conversation, I'm going to go out and do my dishes and get a cup of tea and let all my food digest. Try that sometimes, guys. After you eat, especially if you eat a lot, even though you don't feel like you could drink any hot tea, give it a try, because it really does help your food to digest. Anyway, okay, guys. It's been fun. Thanks for sitting and having dinner with me. I really appreciate it. I always do. And I'll be here again tomorrow to see yous. And I gotta give a shout out to my subscribers. Tomorrow I'm hoping to get a chance to write down names so I can give you guys a shout out. Not making promises, but I'm definitely gonna try. So all right, this is Vegan Mama Me sending all my love your way, and peace out.